Hello friends, welcome back to JP Study Corner. Today we are going to see 40 most important questions from the topic of General Science Mechanics. Swimming is possible on account of. Answer: third law of motion. The small drop of mercury is spherical due to. Answer: surface tension. A pendulum has dash motion. Answer: oscillatory motion. In a simple harmonic motion, the position of equilibrium is always. Answer: stable. The pole distance is measured in. Answer: force scale. Velocity of a moving body is a. Answer: a scalar quantity. The distance of an object travel over a certain amount of time is called. Answer: speed of the object. When a ball hits the ground, it bounces. Based on which law? Answer: Newton's third law. What is the change of velocity over a time is called? Answer: acceleration. The direction and speed of an object is described by its. Answer: velocity. Maxwell is unit of. Answer: magnetic flux. The product of mass and velocity of a moving body is called. Answer: momentum. The weight of the body at the center of the earth. Answer: 0. The SI unit of pressure is. Answer: Pascal. A monkey is climbing up a rope, then the tension in the rope is. Answer: must be equal to the force applied by the monkey on the rope. The rocket launches, sending gases down to the ground, causing the rocket to move upward, relates to. Answer: Newton's third law of motion. A man waves his arms while walking. This is to. Answer: balance the effect of Earth's gravity. An object falling from tall building. Answer: gravitational force. Dash force is to be applied to push a scooter that has failed. Answer: muscular force. Due to which force that raindrops fall to the ground? Answer: gravitational force. An aeroplane flying in the sky is. Answer: mechanical and gravitational force. Blood circulation in muscle is due to. Answer: capillary action. A heavy ladder resting on a floor and against a vertical wall may not be in general equilibrium if. Answer: floor and wall both are smooth surface. Satellite moves in its orbit around the earth due to. Answer: centripetal force. 1 joule is equivalent to. Answer: 1 Newton meter. The velocity of a moving body is. Answer: a vector quantity. The unit of moment of interior of a body is. Answer: the mth power 4. Ingenious units of force is. Answer: Newton in absolute units. A number of force acting simultaneously on a particle of a body is. Answer: may be replaced by a single force. Work may be defined as. Answer: force into distance. Time period and length of a second pendulum respectively are. Answer: 2 seconds and 99.4 centimeter. The frequency of oscillation on moon as compared to that on earth will be. Answer: 2.44 times less. The motion of a bicycle wheel is. Answer: rotary and translatory. 1/2 of a vibration of the body is called. Answer: beat. Coefficient of friction depends on. Nature of surfaces only. Dash equals the amount of work done by an object in a unit of time. Answer: power. The process of nuclear fission occurs mainly in. Answer: nuclear reactors. The sudden fall of atmospheric pressure indicates. Answer: storm. Why bubbles coming out when a brick is immersed in water? Answer: air trapped inside the brick coming out. The density of pure water will be. Answer: maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.